Almost a month ago, Xiaomi announced its partnership with Leica and also revealed that the first phone with the Leica branding is coming in July. Well, June is about to end and Xiaomi has now announced that on the 4th of July it is launching the 12S series. This series includes 3 flagship phones that are named the Xiaomi 12S, Xiaomi 12S Pro and Xiaomi 12S Ultra. The idea behind these phones is the same as the Xiaomi 12 series, that is the 12S is a compact flagship, the 12S Pro is like any other flagship of 2022, and finally the 12S Ultra is what Xiaomi calls the mobile imaging flagship because the main USP of that phone is the cameras. Today Xiaomi shared some details about the cameras on these phones and they are quite interesting. So the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is coming with the Sony's largest camera sensor for smartphones. It is named the Sony IMX989 and it is a 1-inch camera sensor that Sony developed in collaboration with Xiaomi. It is worth mentioning that this is not the first time a smartphone is having a 1-inch camera sensor. In fact, there have been phones in the past with a 1-inch sensor like the Sony Xperia Pro Mark I, which had the same 1-inch sensor that is present in the company's RX100 camera. But the catch was only 60% of the camera sensor of Xperia Pro Mark I was used for photos and videos. So while there was a 1-inch sensor on that phone, it was never fully used. But in case of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, the company says that the whole 1-inch sensor is used for photos and videos, and so there is no cropping, which is fascinating. Xiaomi also compared this camera sensor to the one present on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and according to the company, the Sony IMX989 offers 172% increased light sensitivity area, a 76% higher light sensitivity, and a 32% increased camera speed. Of course, these are just the on-paper specifications, and as we have seen countless times, the on-paper specifications don't always tell the whole story. So when the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is finally out, only then we would be able to see how good the camera of this phone really is. Anyways, speaking of the other two phones, the Xiaomi 12S and Xiaomi 12S Pro both have the same camera sensor. It is the 50 megapixel Sony IMX707 which was present on the Xiaomi 12 Pro as well. The Xiaomi 12 had the Sony IMX766 sensor, but it is now replaced with the IMX707 on the 12S. Comparing the two sensors, the Sony IMX707 offers 48% increased light sensitivity area and 49% increased light sensitivity compared to the Sony IMX766. And finally, as we know, all these three phones get the Leica's camera tuning. Xiaomi has not yet fully revealed the design of 12S Ultra, but the company has shown the camera module design of Xiaomi 12S Pro. As we can see, the design remains the same as the Xiaomi 12 Pro, with the only change being the Leica branding on the camera module. The Xiaomi 12S won't be much different than the 12S Pro in terms of the design, with the only change being the size, thanks to a smaller display. In a teaser image posted by the company, we got to see the Xiaomi 12S Ultra with a leather green back and gold colored frame. So indeed this phone is going to look really premium. Anyways, that is all about this video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.